Hello dear students, in last lecture illustration number 32 is completed. Now today we will next start the illustration number 33. Expand 2x minus a raised to 5. Okay, 2x minus a raised to 5. Here power is 5. So coefficient, first of all write down 5c0 to 5c5. So now next step, 5c0 plus 5c1 plus 5c2 plus 5c3 plus 5c4 plus 5c5. Now next, in first step 2x raised, power is decreasing. 2x raised to 5, 2x raised to 4, 2x cube, 2x raised to 4, here 2, next 2x raised to 1 and 2x whole raised to 0. Now next, in second variable minus a raised is increasing order. Minus a raised to 0, minus a raised to 1, minus a raised to 2, minus a raised to 3, minus a raised to 4, minus a raised to 5. Now power of 5, n is 5. Coefficient is first of all write down 1, 5, 10, 5, 1. आपको कोएफिशिएंट पावर पता होनी चाहिए क्या है, जो हमने पास्कल ट्राइंगल में राइट की थी. पावर इज 5, सो कोएफिशिएंट इज 1, 5, 10, 10, 5, 1. नाउ नेक्स्ट 2 raised to 5, 2 to the 4 to the 8 to the 16 to the 32, 32x raised to 5, minus a raised to 0, answer is 1. Next 2 raised to 4, so 16x raised to 4, minus a raised to 1, minus a, 2x whole cube, 2 to the 4 to the 8x cube, minus a square, even number raised, answer is positive, a square, 2x whole square, 4x square, minus a whole cube, minus a cube, 2x raised to 1, 2x, minus a whole raised to 4, even number raised, answer is positive, a raised to 4, 2x raised to 0, answer 1, minus a raised to 5, odd number raised, minus a raised to 5. Now next, multiplication of all three value, 1 into 32 into 1, your answer is 32x raised to 5. 5 into 16, 80, 80, 80 into minus 1, minus 80x raised to 4a, plus 10 into 8, 80, 80 into 1, so plus 80, x cube a square. Next 10 into 4 40, 40 into minus 1 minus 40 x square a cube. Now next 5 into 10, 10 into 1 plus 10x a raised to 4. 1 into 1 into minus 1 minus a raised to 5. So here completed for illustration number 33. Okay. Now next in illustration number 34. Expand x minus 2 by x raised to 5. X minus 2 by x raised to 5. Okay. Here also power is 5. So same in previous question. All coefficient 1, 5, 10, 10, 5, 1. So first of all write down 5c0 to 5c1, 5. 5c0, 5c1, 5c2, 5c3, 5c4, 5c5. In first value here, first variable x, power is decreasing order. X whole raised to 5, x whole raised to 4, x whole raised to cube, x whole raised to square, x whole raised to 1 and x whole raised to 0. Now in second value is minus 2 by x, power is increasing order. First write down minus 2 by x whole raised to 0. Next step minus 2 by x whole raised to 1. Next minus 2 by x whole raised to 2. Next minus 2 by x whole raised to cube. Next minus 2 by x whole raised to 4 and last minus 2 by x whole raised to 5. Now first of all power is 5, coefficient write down 1, 5, 10, 10, 5, 1. यदि आपको कोएफिशिएंट नहीं पता तो आप डायरेक्ट बेटा राइट कर सकते हो 5c0 1, 5c1 5, 5c2 5 into 4 by 2 into 1 10, 5c3 5 into 4 into 3 by 3 into 2 into 1, also answer 10, 5c4 5, 5c5 1. अब हमारे जो कॉम्बिनेशन मेथड हम फाइंड कर रहे थे उसी मेथड से भी आप कोएफिशिएंट राइट कर सकते हो यदि आपको कोएफिशिएंट नहीं पता ट्राइंगल एंगल के. ओके. नाउ नेक्स्ट x whole raised to 5 means x raised to 5 minus 2 by x whole raised to 0, 0 raised, answer is 1. Okay, x whole raised to 4 यानी कि x raised to 4 minus 2 by x raised to an odd number raised, so sign is negative. Minus 2 by x, x whole cube तो क्या आएगा x cube -2 बाय एक्स रेस टू 2, रेस टू 2 यानी कि क्या है हमें इवन नंबर रेस्ट, आंसर इज पॉजिटिव। -2 रेस टू 2, 2 to the 4, 4 by x square. Now next, x whole square, it means x square -2 by x whole cube. So -2 raised to odd number, so -2 cube is a -8, -8 by x cube. Next, x whole raised to 1, only for x, -2 by x raised to 4, even number raised, answer is positive, so 2 raised to 4, 2 to the 4 to the 8 to the 16 by x raised to 4. Last, x whole raised to 0, answer is 1, -2 by x raised to 5, here odd number sign is negative, -32 by x raised to 5. Now next step, multiplication, 1 into x raised to 5 into 1, answer as it is, x raised to 5. Okay, 5 into -2, so 5 2s are 10, but माइनस प्लस माइनस माइनस, देखो अब यहाँ पे x रेस्ट टू 4 एंड डिनोमिनेटर x, सो डिनोमिनेटर के रेस्ट कहाँ पे जाएंगे, न्यूमरेटर में, यानी जनरली हम क्या राइट करते हैं, देखो इस तरह से, इस स्टेप यहाँ पे ऐसा हुआ, x रेस्ट टू 4 बाई एक्स, डिनोमिनेटर में 1 रेस्ट है तो क्या करेंगे, x रेस्ट टू 4 माइनस 1 एक्स क्यूब, इस तरह से आंसर फाइंड करेंगे। ओके, जहाँ पे रेस्ट ज़्यादा है वेरिएबल के वहाँ डिनोमिनेटर न्यूमरेटर न्यूमरेटर डिनोमिनेटर में ट्रांसफर करेंगे। सो योर आंसर इज 5 to the 10 एक्स क्यूब। क्लियर, किस तरह से आंसर है एक्स क्यूब का, डिनोमिनेटर में x, पावर इज न्यूमरेटर, सो -1 एक्स क्यूब। नेक्स्ट 10 into 4, 4 0 40, here x is power is 3 and denominator x power is 2, so न्यूमरेटर में ज़्यादा है पावर तो डिनोमिनेटर की रेस्ट पावर न्यूमरेटर में लेके जाओ, सो एक्स क्यूब माइनस 2 एक्स रेस्ट टू 1, इट मीन्स only for x variable, so you write down 40x. Now next 10 into -8, your answer is -80 डिवाइड बाय, अब देखो यहाँ पे फिर से न्यूमरेटर पावर इज एक्स स्क्वायर एंड डिनोमिनेटर एक्स पावर इज क्यूब, तब कहाँ पे है पावर ज़्यादा, डिनोमिनेटर्स में, सो क्या करेंगे अब 1 बाय एक्स क्यूब माइनस 2, यानी कि 1 बाय एक्स रेस टू 1, 1 बाय एक्स, 1 बाय एक्स, सो 1 इंटू 80 बाय एक्स, इस तरह से हमने पावर फाइंड किया। नाउ नेक्स्ट 5 इंटू 16 ऑल्सो 80, सेम उसी तरह से एक्स रेस टू 4 पावर है उसमें से 1 लेस कर दो, एक्स क्यूब एंड लास्ट माइनस 1 इंटू -30, सो -30 बाय एक्स रेस टू 5। ये हुआ आपका फाइनल आंसर फॉर द इलिस्ट्रेशन नंबर 14 इज x रेस टू 5 माइनस 10x क्यूब प्लस 40x माइनस 80 बाई एक्स प्लस 80 बाई एक्स क्यूब माइनस 32 बाई x raised to 5. Okay, here completed illustration number 34. Now next, illustration number 35. Expand a by b minus b by a whole raised to 4. Okay, here n power is 4. Okay, so your answer is 14641 coefficient. So first of all 4c0 to 4c4 write down. 4c0 4c1 4c2 4c3 4c4. In our first value variable a by b for the decreasing order, first step, a upon b raised to 4, a upon b whole cube, a upon b whole square, a upon b whole raised to 1, a upon b whole raised to 0. Now in second value minus b by a for the increasing order, minus b upon a whole raised to 0, minus b upon a whole raised to 1, minus b upon a whole square, minus b upon a whole cube, minus b upon a whole raised to 4. Now next write down, power is 4, coefficient 1 4 6 4 1. सिंपल जो मैंने आपको पहले भी बताया, नहीं पता चले 4c0 1, 4c1 4, 4c2 4 into 3 by 2 into 1, 4c3 it means 4, 4c4 1. Okay, a by b raised to 4 it means a raised to 4 upon b raised to 4, minus b by a whole raised to 0, answer is 1. A by b whole raised to cube, so answer is a cube upon b cube, minus b upon a whole raised to 1, answer as it is minus b by a cube, क्योंकि रेस्ट क्या है 1. a by b whole raised to square, so a square upon b square, minus b by a whole raised to 2, even number, answer is positive, b square upon a square. Next, a by b whole raised to 1 as it is, minus b by a whole cube, odd number raised, answer is negative, minus b cube upon a cube. A by b whole raised to 0, answer is 1, minus b by a raised to 4, even number raised, answer is positive, so b raised to 4 upon a raised to 4. Now next step, for the multiplication in first step, 1 into 1 into a raised to 4 by b raised to 4, so answer a raised to 4 upon b raised to 4, plus minus minus. Okay, here a cube, so a cube minus 1 raised a square upon denominator b cube and numerator minus 1 raised, so 3 minus 1 यानी कि 2 b square. Next plus, okay, a square b square cut, so answer plus 6 plus minus 4. Okay, here b cube denominator only for b 1 raised minus, so 4b square denominator a cube minus 1 raised a square, and last plus 1 1 जा b raised to 4 upon a raised to 4. Right? It is your final answer. ये वो आपका फाइनल आंसर a by a raised to 4 upon b raised to 4 minus 4 a square upon b square plus 6 minus 4b square upon a square plus b raised to 4 upon a raised to 4. Okay, here completed illustration number 35. Now next, illustration number 36. Root a plus 1 by root a raised to 4. Okay, here power is 4, so 4c0 to 4c4, first step over 4c0 4c1 4c2 4c3 4c4. Now next, in first value under root a power is decreasing 4 3 2 1 0. Root a whole raised to 4, root a whole raised to cube, root a whole raised to 2, root a whole raised to 1, root a whole raised to 0. Second step, 1 upon root a, power is increasing order 0 1 2 3 4. 1 upon root a raised to 0, 1 upon root a raised to 1, 1 upon root a raised to 2, 1 upon root a raised to whole cube, 1 upon root a whole raised to 4. Power is 4, so coefficient same in previous question 1 4 6 4 1. 1 4 6 4 एंड 1. आपको इतना सिंपल तो पता होना चाहिए कि कोई भी वैल्यू रूट ए इंटू रूट ए 2 बार आए तो वैल्यू क्या होगी आउट ऑफ रूट ए. सपोज वैल्यू 3 बार आए रूट ए इंटू रूट ए इंटू रूट ए, तो आंसर क्या होगा 2 बार रूट ए, तो आंसर इज ए रूट ए. 4 बार आए रूट ए इंटू रूट ए इंटू रूट ए, so 2 into 2, 2 bar root a into a, answer is a square. ये सिंपल आपको पता होना चाहिए कि कोई भी वैल्यू 2 बार रूट में आए मल्टीप्लिकेशन होता आउट ऑफ रूट, 3 बार आए तो एक बार आउट ऑफ रूट, एक बार अंडर रूट। तो देखो अब हम राइट करेंगे रूट ए रेज टू 4 टाइम 1 2 3 4, तो आंसर क्या होगा ए स्क्वायर। अंडर रूट ए रेज होल रेज टू 4, so आंसर इज ए स्क्वायर। 1 upon root a raised to 0, 0 raised, answer is 1. अंडर रूट ए होल रेज टू क्यूब 3 बार आए रूट ए रूट ए रूट ए, द आंसर क्या होगा ए अंडर रूट ए। सो योर आंसर राइट डाउन ए अंडर रूट ए। 1 upon root a raised to 1, raised to 1, answer as it is 1 upon root a. Now next under root a whole square 2 time, answer is a। 1 upon under root a whole square 2 time, answer is a। So 1 upon a। Next under root a raised to 1 time a, so value as it is under root a। 1 upon under root a whole cube 3 time 1 2 3, answer is a under root a। So write down 1 upon a root a under root a raised to 0, 0 raised, answer is always 1। 1 upon under root a whole raised to 4 times 1 2 3 4, 2 times out of root a into a, answer is a square। 1 upon a square। Now next for the multiplication 1 into a square into 1, answer is a square। Now next under root a numerator denominator both side value is cut, 4 ones are 4 into a plus 4a। Now next numerator a denominator a, so cut, 6 ones are 6 plus 6। Now next 4 into under root a into 1 upon a root a, under root a cut, 4 ones are 4, answer is 4 upon a। Now next 1 into 1, answer is 1 and 1 upon a square। So your final answer a square plus 4a plus 6 plus 4 upon a plus 1 upon a square। Here completed for illustration number 36।